Hey friends, welcome back. This is Lofi Bofi, and today we're going to be drawing a bowling pin. So what we're going to need for this activity is a piece of paper and something to draw with. I'm going to be using an 8-5 pencil. So I'm going to start by drawing a diagonal line on the left side of my paper. And then I'm going to do the bottom of it. Curve it and go down like that. And I'm going to go back up at an angle. Then I'm going to go and do a straight line up. I'm going to go up to around here. Like that. Then I'm going to go in like that. I'm going to go up and out and curve the top so it's like a semicircle. And go back down. And then just like harden up the line so it's like one line. There. Next, I'm going to add the stripes for the pin. It's going to be up here, 1. I'm going to be doing 4 stripes. And now I'm going to shade that in. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend it. Now I'm going to do that to the upper pin. And then I'm going to go and shade in this left corner. Go up and slowly work up. I'm going to go to around there and then shade it in. I'm going to do the bottom. Shade that in. So I'm going to do the top. See that? And color. And then next, what I'm going to be doing next, so I'm going to grab my pencil and make like a circle shape. I'm going to go down like that. Then I'm going to shade that in. This is going to be the shadow of the pin. Shade that in. It can be kind of messy. And then that. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my pencil and I'm going to shade over here a bit more. And instead of blending that in, I'm just going to leave it. And what I want to do next is grab an eraser. And with the eraser, I'm going to go around the edges, cleaning it up. Going pretty closely. Push that off. There. Over here. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to grab my eraser and highlight this upper bit. Then, yeah. I'm going to go over here, make a line like that. I'm going to do this up here. Like that. Because over here is where the sun is pointing at this pin. Then I'm going to blend this part in a bit more. And I'm going to go over here and shade this part in it a lot more. And then I'm going to shade that in. Closer to the pin, the shadow is going to be darker. I look like that. Shade that. And then again, a bit lighter. Not too light though. And then to make it 3D a bit more, I'm gonna go over here and make it darker. Blend it out. And I'm going to do that again. And I'm going to grab my eraser, go around like that. Brush the eraser bits off. And next, I'm going to use my eraser and go over here and then go like that. And then, so it doesn't look like a streaky line, I'm going to blend in this eraser bit a bit more. And then, blend it a bit more. And there you go. You have your bowling pin. Until next time, bye.